back to Living Dayton. Many people have some type of resolution that involves eating better in the new year. Improving your diet won't only make you healthier, it can actually help people if they're trying to conceive. Dr. Groll from SpringCreek Fertility joins me now with more. Always great to have you on the show.
Oh, great. Thanks, Katie.
So you are talking about a topic that many struggle with, and that's the issue of fertility. And there are many, many options, many things people can do, but food might be something to try.
Absolutely. And with the fertility treatments, whether there's anatomic problems or hormonal problems, ultimately, how we eat and exercise and take care of our body will help regardless of the approach, whether it's a conservative or with other treatments.
Okay.
And as far as the hormones, one of the biggest things involved is your body's energy metabolism.
Sure.
And in particular, the hormone insulin.
Okay.
So that helps regulate your blood sugar. So after we eat, your blood sugar goes up and your insulin goes up to move those calories into your cells so you can use this energy.
Yeah.
And when people have what we call insulin resistance and they have a diet that's high in sugars, that your body makes a lot of insulin. And so what that does is it throws off all your other hormones, and it can prevent you from ovulating, and it can also prevent a baby from attaching properly. And so with nutrition and exercise, you can actually help coordinate your body's energy metabolism better and that help your odds for a successful pregnancy.
Good deal. So reduce sugar is the number one tip you've got.
And that's certainly one of the easiest things that we can do, because Americans in general are going to get way too much sugar in their diet. And one of the questions, if there's one thing I think people can change or at least look into, is their beverages.
Okay.
And so sweet and soft drinks have so much sugar in them.
Extra sugar, yeah.
That basically most women, should be getting about 110, 120 grams of sugar, or I'm sorry, grams of carbohydrates a day, of which only about 10 to 15 grams of sugar.
Okay.
One 12-ounce soda is about 45 grams of sugar.
Wow.
A 12-ounce sweet tea is about 55 grams.
Way too much.
So if you have somebody who drinks maybe 3 or 4 pops in a day, or has a McDonald's sweet tea, which is a 32-ouncer, they could actually be getting their entire day's worth of carbohydrates in pure sugar just from a couple beverages, not counting anything they eat.
Yeah.
And so that's one of the biggest things I always check into, and very simple way to change.
Yeah. Got about a minute left. I want to make sure we get to your others. Organic foods really help.
Yes, it does. And so with your energy metabolism, again, that the cells have the mitochondria, which are what process your sugar into energy. And with pesticides, those are toxic to your cell's mitochondria.
Okay.
And that's actually the bottleneck point where the cells can't process sugar. So going organic is going to help reduce that damage to the mitochondria and process your body's energy better.
Let's talk protein. That can also be a booster for our fertility.
Sure, and that your lowest insulin production comes when you have a balance of protein to complex carbohydrates.
Okay.
And many people don't get enough protein to meet their daily requirement. So that helps with your body's, overall metabolic function, and that it's going to be able to keep your overall insulin production at its minimum.
Gotcha. All right, so reduce our sugar, go organic, more protein. What's your last tip for those trying to conceive?
And so if you wanted one particular supplement, a great thing to add to your daily routine is something called coenzyme Q10.
Okay.
And that, again, helps on that energy metabolism, but it helps the eggs, it helps the sperm, and overall great for your health.
Excellent. Dr. Jeremy Groll, always really great information. If you're trying to conceive, this is the man you may want to see. Where can we find you?
So we're over in Centerville at 7095 Clio Road, and right at the corner of Alex Bell and Clio.
Thank you so much for being here.
Great. Thanks, Katie.